Hi everyone, I hope you are well. Today problem is 2 sum. This is the first problem of the lead code. I solve using the Java language, and this is the topic of the uh, array and hash map. So first I discuss the brute force approach and then uh, optimize this approach into the order of n time complexity. So problem is the given an array of integer nums and integer target. Return the indicator of the two numbers such they add up the target, and you may assume that each input would exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. Okay, so oh, one element is not used the again and again. Only one element is used only one time. That is the problem, and you can return any order. That is the problem. Okay, so given array, so for example 2 7 11 and 15, and target is 9. So index 0 and 1 is the sum of 2 and 7 equal to 9. This is the equal to, we can simply return the 0 and 1 index. That is the second example. 3 2 6 and target is 6, and only 1 and 2 index, sum of the 1 and 2 index is 6. 1 and 2, just 2 and 4 equal to 6. That is the problem. Okay, so let's write the code of the order of n square problem. First I discuss the brute force as I told. Okay, so I just write two for loops. Okay, so first is the for uh, int I equal to 0 and I is less than nums dot length minus 1, because we need uh, first pointer is n minus 1 and second pointer is the less than n. Okay, so I just click and I plus plus and just write, and second loop and int j equal to I plus 1. Okay, and j is less than nums dot length and j plus plus. Okay, if nums I plus j, nums j equal to target, that's why I return a new array int just index I and comma j. Otherwise I return minus minus, means no index is found the sum. Okay, to return the new int just I and j. Minus 1 comma minus 1. Just I click the run. This is a take the order of n square time complexity. This is a accept, and just click the submit. Okay, this is a accept, but it is take the add n square time complexity, but we need to optimize this, because there is a, so can you come up with the algorithm that less than the n square time complexity? So that's why I need hash table to reduce the time complexity. So I discuss the brute approach. So I simply comment it and I create a hash map. Okay, hash map integer and hm equal to new hash map. Okay, so this is the store the value, and this store the index. This integer store the index. So just I write a loop for int I equal to 0 and I is less than nums dot length and I plus plus, and I just click और प्रिंट निकाल लेंगे यहाँ पर sum and difference equal to difference over target minus simply nums I index. If hm dot contains hm dot contains the contain key def. That's why I if contain to mm, return a new array and new int as and hm dot get undefined and this index I. If it's not contained, I simply put hm dot put nums I comma index I, and if it is not, and I simply return new int minus simple. That's why I return and I click, and that's why I check this. This is the take the accept the all test, and then I submit. Click on the submit button. Hmm, check. Yeah, definitely is a 2 millisecond occur and beat 98%. And this is the n. This is a take the time complexity order of n. This is the optimized solution. Okay, so I hope you are understood, and thank you and keep watching.